So before working on any machine, please refer to your operator or owner's manual for further safety instructions. Hey everybody, Tom here at Weingartz. Today we're going to be doing some maintenance on our Cub Cadet XT1 Tractor. This does have the Kohler engine in it. For purposes today, I'm going to take the hood off so we can see a little better. First, we're going to start with changing the air filter. On this particular Kohler engine, you're going to have two yellow screws on the top cover. It does say lock and unlock. To remove the cover, we're going to turn it counterclockwise to unlock and lift. Here today we have our air filter provided by us at Weingartz. You can get it from one of our 6 locations or at Weingartz.com. To remove the air filter, you're going to pull up on the front, towards the front of the engine first to unlock, and then pull out. Remove and clean any debris that might be possible. We're going to reinstall our new filter. On these, there is a foam wrap that you're going to install on the filter. So with these air filters, we do not recommend using any type of compressed air to blow these out. Generally just give them a light tap or replace them if necessary. Same with the foam filter on the outside. You can wash these with a little Dawn dish soap and some water, or replace them if necessary. So we're going to reinstall the foam on the air filter. Make sure that it covers all the paper pleat completely. We're going to reinstall our air filter. Put it into the intake first, push down and slide it in. Make sure it clips into the air filter housing in order for proper fit. We're going to reinstall our cover. Again, the yellow tabs need to be facing unlock, push down, and turn clockwise to lock into place. That's how we change the air filter.
Weingartz, Weingartz,